Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix personal hotspot not showing or not working on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to use your personal hotspot to share to internet to other devices on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to the setting, and you have to search for cellular network, and after that you have to make sure that you have turned on the cellular connection. And after that, if it is working properly on your device, which means you have turned on the cellular data connection, then you can simply restart your device, and you have to turn on the hotspot from the control center. So here you can simply see that the option is available in personal hotspot settings. You can simply see that, but before you have to simply make sure that you have turned on the mobile data. You are using mobile data on your iPhone. After that you will be able to use personal hotspot on your device. If you are using iPhone 12 or later, then you can also turn on maximize compatibility, so that you can use your personal hotspot on your iPhone 12 or later. So these are the odd settings. If the problem is still there and you do not turn on the hotspot or data connection on your iPhone, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to the Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. And you can also go to the Apple discussion to find different iPhone user their opinion how they solve their problem of personal hotspot not working or showing their iPhone. In this way you can simply solve the problem of a personal hotspot on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.